And I think we've got another one. My man is spinning on the ramp. Big dually. Just struggling trying to get up. Now, I know it says FX4 on the side, but as we've learned, that doesn't mean squat. That is just a package. It doesn't mean four-wheel drive. And here we can see the tires spinning. And he's making a little traction, but not much. See if he can get over the hump. No, they're kind of stuck. He's stopping now. And that makes me think he's probably going into four-wheel drive. So, backing up a little bit. Here we go, getting another run at it. And we'll get it over the hump this time. And we're going straight into another one. As we have another, appears Ford truck struggling to get off the ramp. Oh, it's going to be a fast one today. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru production back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Point Marina. So you're trying to pull out. Somebody's trying to launch in front of him. Kind of cuts him off a little bit. He's going to have to wait a few seconds to give it another shot. But we got somebody stepping onto the tailgate. Well, the rear bumper. And here we go. They're going to give it another roll. Gives her a little hell. And my man's jumping. Will it be enough to push him over the edge? And yes, these guys are going to make it out as well. Our crew coming in on approach. Got at least one line on the ready. Up, Cat backs out. Little heavy on the throttle hand. Hang on, guys. We might be in for a wild one. I don't know. Our girl on the bow doesn't look too nervous. So maybe this is just normal procedure for this crew. Cap's trying to get him close enough. Get a hand on the dock. They're trying. There we go. He's going to turn in, try and get the bow over. But in doing so, the stern's going to kick out on him. Our guy in the front still trying to get on. And now Cap's got his angle all kinds of wonky. And there we go. We've got one line on. But Cap coming in at a funky... Oh, we hit the dock. About to say, Cap's coming in at a funky angle now. What in the world? Is he going to turn this thing all the way around? Let go of the line, bro. My man's still holding. Basically not wanting to give up on that dock. Telling Wifey in the back, go ahead and get a Fender out, but I think it's a little late for that. We need to get the other line up. Our guy's trying to pull him over a little bit here on the front to get the stern to swing back around, and slowly it's doing so. But Cap's also got the helm finally turned in the right direction, the wheel turned in the right direction as well. This motor will give a hand. And let's see if our crew can get it buttoned up. 1 foot on, and there we go. And they'll get this one wrapped up. I thought Cap was going to flip this thing all the way around, though, as he was trying to get it on. Crew makes their approach. Angle looks pretty good so far. Decent approach speed. And he's going to stall just off the dock. They go for the reach. Somebody's going to have to go for a toss. Nope, Cap gives him a little nudge. One hand on. Oh, he jumped, but he lost the line. We quickly get him another one. And we got the second line. They got it. And in the whole process, they started drifting off the dock. Our guy, when he jumped off, kind of kicked him out. And it looks like we have our third vehicle of the day struggling to get off the ramp. They're trying to get the pull out. This doesn't look right, though. The boat's leaning heavy. That one's not right, bro. You're going to have to back that up and put it back on. The lady's trying to kick it over, but there's no way. You're going to have to refloat this. And there we go. She gets it kicked over. Let's see if they can get it out this time. And of course the trailer will stop right in front of them. We're going to have to wait a few seconds. It appears it's kind of better on the trailer though, so maybe that'll assist with the pullout. But they're just stuck waiting for the moment. And our guy in front of them is having a little troubles, it appears. But here we go. We're going to go for the pullout anyway. Our crew making their approach on the dock. We've got somebody in the bow with some lines. And he's going to go. Goes for the jump. Makes it. Cap throws it in reverse. And here we go. The old boat ramp tug of war. And our guy's going to hang on and try and pull this boat back over. I don't think we've caught anybody get drug in yet on this one, but man, we are going to catch it someday. Somebody's not going to let go of that rope, and that boat is going to win when they get in that tug of war. And Cap making the approach, coming in slow. Somebody in the bow with the lines. Today has been a day full of lines. I mean, everybody, it appears, has had something on the ready. I mean, I'm so used to watching everybody pull up and they hit the dock, people are grabbing poles, no lines are out, no fenders are out, and today's just not been that case. I mean, I guess we've been at this for a while now. Maybe everybody understands the value of doing this correctly. So Cap kind of struggles right here a little bit, and now he's going to have to back out. That's a weird approach there to turn the bow in that sharp like that. Gonna have to try and kick that stern back toward the dock now. Our lady in the bow looks like she's trying to get off. Cap's leaving the helm though. The boat's sideways. What is he doing? He's gonna have to give this boat a little bit of an assist to get it over. It looks like one of these engines is possibly still in gear as well. I can't tell. And this may be the problem, actually. They may be down a motor when I look at it from here. So Cap's going to try and drag this one back over on his own. But they should be good to go from here. 2 lines on the dock, and they'll get it buttoned up. And the boys are trying to figure it out. They missed on the first approach. We're going to go for the second. Toss a fender. Oh my gosh. I just got fender envy. But you're putting it in the worst spot, bro. You've got the biggest fender down here at Black Point, and you're putting it on the stern of the boat. It should be at the mid cleat. And they're not even gonna, it's not even gonna touch the dock, the fender. But of course, the center of the boat's gonna hit the dock. But these boys will get out of here, and speaking of getting out of here, we're getting out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.